your stocking stuffer, your dreidel spinner, your ho-ho host. And if you don't laugh at my jokes, I'm going to be your swimming instructor. Off to a good start. Okay. Now, we are on the lookout for some airdropped cargo while we're out here today. Our family sent us some gifts and decorations. They didn't quite make it here, so we may see something out there. I don't know. Now, our journey does begin right out here in the Amazon, where it rains 365 days a year. This time of year, we've got a lot of insects out here, so if you've been itching, I mean, it's probably just the fleas Navidad. Don't be too alarmed. Over here, though, we've got the beautiful Inspiration Falls, and people often ask us why it's called Inspiration Falls. Well, if you stare into that running water for long enough, it will probably inspire you to go deeper and deeper into the jungle, of course. And with that, the inspiration led us to the Congo River here in the deepest, darkest part of Central Africa. We'll just see how far this boat can go. If anyone forgot to pack a coat, though, it's totally fine. I've already checked the forecast, and, you know, there won't be snow in Africa this Christmas time. But I arranged a big welcoming party for everybody. Okay, nobody showed up, though. That's weird. It's fine. They must have all dashed off to do some early Christmas shopping or something. I don't know. It seems like the only logical explanation to me. Oh, speaking of, looks like someone's getting an old tree for Christmas. That's nice. It's all wrapped up with a boa on top. Wow, they must have had that done over here at our gift wrapping station. Now, people ask us all the time why we picked gorillas to do the job, which is, I mean, it's a fair question, I get it, but look at that. The turnover is amazing. I mean, they are really tearing through the orders there. Oh, look at that. They made a wreath made out of shotgun shells. That'll be a blast to hang up. Now, we have turned down the Nile River. It was a bit loud. The Nile's really long. It goes on for Niles and Niles and Niles. It's also hard to navigate this time of year due to its really strong Yuletide, you know. Right over there, that's the second most feared animal in the jungle, the African bull elephant. But right over here, we have the most feared animal. That's my mother-in-law. She loves to appear in the news, especially at the holidays. This right here, this is the Jingle Bell Rock. People tend to take it for granted, but I mean, I personally think it's one of our bolder attractions myself. It does lead us right out here to the African veldt, home to long-necked reindeer, reindeer with horns. We even have really old reindeer over there. They're still in black and white. That's cool. Oh, and look at that. Those lions invited that old reindeer over for Christmas dinner. How sweet is that? He looks dead. Tired. He looks dead tired. He's probably just pretending to be asleep so he doesn't have to talk to extended family this time of year. I understand that, but oh my gosh. Gee, Mr. Rhino. I normally just drink popcorn. Yeah, look at that. That's a classic example of why you should never ever give a rhino a fruitcake. But you know, I think they're going to get the point in the end. There are some hyenas over there, though. These guys have been really hard at work at the North Pole all year, and they're Santa's little yelpers. Now, to either side of the boat, this is weird. I think all the piranhas went home. Yeah, they must be going there to celebrate Piranha with their families. It's the festival of fights. But anyway, coming up here, we've got Glacier Mountain. Kind of weird, actually. This huge glacier just popped up in the middle of the jungle, and it's melting. Oh my gosh, this is going to be a tight turn. Whew, that was close. We made it. For a minute there, I thought I was going to deck the falls with guests I'm hauling. That wouldn't have been good, but anyway, our friends over at the Jungle Aviation Company had a really great holiday sale this year, so a few skippers and I decided to check it out. We ended up getting that airplane. Can you believe that? We got it for half off. What a steal. Reinforced steal, actually. But my gosh, okay, hold on to your marbles, everyone. Looks like we're in the middle of a pool of hungry, hungry hippos. I should be a little more specific with my Christmas list, I guess. A lot of them are blowing bubbles. They're doing that just to stay warm in these frigid winter temperatures we're experiencing right now. We'd really hate for him to get any hypothermia, you know. But anyway, we're not quite out of the woods yet. Just look at all the trees. How lovely are their branches. Looks like we might be entering hen hunter territory, home to some famous holiday characters like Dancer and Prancer and the Little Drummer Boys. Okay, we've really got to be alert while we're out here, though. I'd really hate for us to run into any Christmas carolers. Everybody get down. Okay, don't panic. Just turn off the lights, close the blinds. So no idea that we're home. Oh my gosh. Oh, that was close. Okay. Well, on the bright side, I know that this is what you've all been waiting for. This is the 8th wonder of the world, the bag. want to tell anyone this. I was kind of debating it. Don't want to alarm you guys, but I feel like I have to tell you. Our whole cruise, there's been a Bengal tiger stalking us. He's been walking up and down the beaches here, and I know it's him just because he's got sandy claws, but I saw him run into this temple right here, so you better watch out. I better not cry. Indian elephant bathing pool, so feel free to take photos if you want. I think they all have their trunks on today. That's always good. Oh, right up here though, this is my good friend Bertha. Bertha's a little stinky, so this year instead of showering her with gifts, we just decided to give her the gift of a shower. Hope she likes that. Anyway, I'll be honest with you guys, I don't trust these elephants. They love to play tricks on the boat, so hopefully they won't do that. Yep, there they go. Okay, we're gonna sneak right by. Now, for some reason, people... No, don't do it again. Santa's watching. Good boy. Okay, people seem to think that's water coming out of their trunks, but it's not. No, it's cold and flu season, everybody. Well, just make sure you got your mask all the way pulled up for me back there, bud, okay? Now, no trip to the jungle would be complete without visiting my dear friend Trader Samta over here on the left. He's the guy with the umbrella. Samta is actually the head salesman out here, but you know, business has been shrinking a bit recently, so he's got a killer deal just for the holidays. 3 of his heads for just 1 of yours, any takers. Well, that's a great deal, and no matter how you slice it or dice it, you always come out ahead. I went over to Samta's last Christmas for dinner. It was really great, and I told him, Sam, your wife makes an excellent stew. He said, I know. I'm really going to miss her, though. But anyway, in a moment here, we'll be embarking on the most dangerous part of our journey, the return to civilization. Okay, so remain seated for me. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs in the boat. We'd really hate to experience any unnecessary peer pressure today. Okay, when you exit the boat, you just want to exit through the same doors you came in. So this side around to the back, this side out the front. You don't want to cross over the middle here. I know it's really tempting. It is just a one-way ticket to the naughty list. Santa's still working on it, so wouldn't want to ruin that. I really do appreciate your presence out here on the Jingle Cruise, though. Just know anything you leave behind, I am going to consider a present for myself. So you can leave cell phones, jewelry, wallets. I'll collect them all at the end. I do hope you had fun this afternoon, though. I actually had, I had so much fun, I think I'll probably go again. Do you guys ever feel like your job's taking you in circles? I do. I definitely do. Well, it looks like we're in a little bit of a traffic jam here. That's fun. So, we'll start the educational portion of the cruise where I point out some plants for you guys, okay? Got one over there, one over there, and there's one right over there. Any questions? No? Up there, that's a hibiscus. This is a lobiscus right here. Anything you see growing in the water, that's a sea biscus, and then these up here with bark on them. Doggy biscus plants, always nice. Alright, well, here we go. Exciting news, heading right up to the dock here. If you guys enjoyed your cruise, my name's Skipper Kate. If you did not enjoy your cruise, my name is unimportant. So, anyway, oh gosh, you know what they say, get out. No, that was so rude. Where's my Christmas spirit, guys? Make like Santa and leave my presents.